Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip tribe. Today, talking about waterproof tape. Sometimes it's hard to hide. Getting that leaf to cover it over, and there's nothing worse than having your tape showing. Well, maybe a few things worse, but you don't want that. A pro technique, using black electrical tape when you're dealing with a black vessel. Just take a small piece and tape it right over the top. Much easier to hide. On a larger arrangement, there'd be nothing wrong with just taping with the electrical tape and not even using the standard floral tape. Again, it hides away. And even better, electrical tape comes in a number of different colors so that you can coordinate with your vases. Now you know the pro technique.